any space at all. Just around about, hello Margot. Are you joining in? You have a little lie down now, are you? A little stretchy lie down. Okay. Can I carry on? Can I carry on, please? I think I might stand on you by accident, and I don't want to do that. What are you doing? Can you go? You're just going to sit there. Oh, another little lie down. Just another little rub then. There you go, baby. Okay, now can I carry on? Can I carry on? Yeah? You're having a little stretch. You know it was a stretchy one today. You know we're doing stretches. You can join in. Right, I'm going to start, okay? Okay. You're going to go up there, are you? Yeah? Alright, you can go there. That's okay. You can go there.